Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Yo! Hayi kodwa makomrade. Ingase uThixo angasithandazela masiqasha abantu abahlakaniphile.
Think about what you're saying.
Yazi abanye abantu mangibalalele ngiyazibuza lo muntu wawuthola kanjani umsebenzi. When you get into a taxi, you sit down before you get in. Masike siye kuhamba sikhokhoza nje.
What is this? It is to sentimentalize.
Sensationalize.
Sensationalize.
Nina nisibuzi lonto. Ukuthi lo muntu wafika njani la.
It doesn't say you failed it like it's a it's like whether you passed what do you call it? Let me say it was not positive.
Why pass and why fail?
Okay, let me say I fail.
That is a miracle.
But ufikile ingwenye iphethe. Sikhaqa amabhandi.
Those that I buried when I was in the ship, they crashed with the helicopter. They did not die.
It's running the state, it's running your life and my life. Lo muntu lo uphethe.
Akahlakaniphile kahle hle.
People laba right baxoshiwe.
Do you believe me or not?
No, I don't. But